This is a message for Bridger. Hey Bridger, Captain America here. How you doing, buddy? So I read your story. I saw what you did. Now I'm sure you've heard a lot of this over the last couple days, but let me be the next one to tell you, pal, you're a hero. I'm gonna track down your address and I'm gonna send you an authentic Captain America shield because, pal, you deserve it. Bye, buddy.
Hey there guys, just want to give a shout out to a young kid named Bridger. He's 6 years old and recently a dog attacked him and his little sister. And I just want to say, mate, you're an absolute inspiration. Your courage is beyond belief and we are all so impressed by you and we're thinking of you. I know you're an Avengers fan and so myself and all the team, we'd be honoured to have you on the team, mate. And we love you and we're sending you our support. So stay strong and we'll talk to you soon, mate.